Life has never been easy for me. In 42 years of my life, there's not a single day that has gone by without teaching me something. I was 19 when I got married to the person I loved more than anyone. Blessed with a baby girl at the age of 20, I thought my family was complete. But who knew what life had for me? I never thought I could ever be able to struggle the way I have. The person for whom I left my parents showed me the darkest days of my life. I left him when I was 22, and that's when my struggle started. I had to start earning for my child, but I had no idea how to do it. I completed my graduation and started with a job as a lab technician with the most basic salary. I completed my BSc, MBA, all while I was working alongside. Of course, it was difficult for me when I drifted my path with him. I did feel terrible, but I have never allowed suicidal thoughts to enter my head. I have never spent a single day with my daughter, and that's what hurts me even today. I don't know how she grew up so fast. I have missed her childhood. I have spent 8 years of my life roaming around the courts, all for my daughter. However, I gave up after a point of time because I did not see anything happening in my favor. I started living my life without caring what the society said. In one of my jobs, I met Manoj, someone who was ready to accept me and my daughter even after knowing everything. I was in a dilemma about what to do because of my past experience. I could not risk my life and even my daughter's life this time. After a lot of thought process, I finally got married to him 6 years ago. Yes, we have our share of ups and downs like any other relation. But at least I wasn't going through a phase of depression, unlike my previous relationship. My daughter stays with my parents even now, and she has been through a lot of struggles all by herself. A lot of societal pressures, a lot of unwanted comments passing by on her. She has been through all of that alone without complaining even once. Life has made me so strong that now, even if I have to stay all alone by myself, I would never be dependent on anyone. The story you heard was my mom's story, and I am the proudest child any parent could ever have. I do want to ask one thing to every man out there. What's with the toxic masculinity where you think it's all right to harass a woman because you have the power or the authority to? Learn to respect every woman and treat them equally rather than just boosting up your ego. I'm so glad about the decisions my mother took regarding everything. She may have suffered a lot, but she has also learned a lot. To all the women out there, bury the past keep the lessons it taught you.